even though they're $1 and affordable, I say no bueno. They're not good. I do not like them at all. I hate them. They feel like rubber, all of them. They get so hard, not worthy. You will hate it. Yeah. I hope you guys are doing great, and I just wanted to show you guys more goodies that I have been testing. Per usual, we have some old, we have some new, and I just give you my opinions, and if I can find any sales, promotions, deals, coupons, I share it with you. And we always want to promote quality and quantity at an affordable price, and we don't want to promote consumerism. Rather, I do the research work for you, and I give you the tools and the sales that you need to be able to acquire it should you need it. It's only to inform you. It's not to promote. It's not to promote for you to be buying even though you cannot afford it, even though it was not on your plan, right? So I always tell people, make a list, prioritize, and then shop accordingly, and then budget for it, and always pay everything cash or debit, no credit cards. Yeah, so without further ado, if you want to know what I'm about to talk about, let's get started right now. So first thing first, I want to talk about the Colourpop concealers. I've been using these since they have launched, and I think I've had about 4 concealers, and since they've launched, they changed their names, but I've ordered the first launch and the second launch, and I really want to say that these are like a natural matte finish. They're not matte, so if you have normal to dry skin, you would love these. I absolutely love them. I feel like it gives me the best flawless natural finish ever, and it lasts long. My days are so long. They're at least 10 to 14 hours long. This does not crease, cake up, mess up, nothing. These are just phenomenal, and they blend so well. So if you were looking to get these, I would say get it at Ulta when they have sales, and also you can use coupons on top of them. Of course, you can also get it at Colourpop when also Colourpop has sales, so you do not have to get these full price. For an extreme highlight, which I normally don't do, I have 1050, okay? And then for a regular shade highlight for me, I have Deep Golden 60, and you can see there's a little bit of a difference, not too much. And these are almost done, obviously, and I've emptied 2 prior to this, so I don't know where they are. If you check my empties videos, you will see that I've emptied 2 of these, I think, prior to getting these ones. And I also have Deep Dark 54 as like my natural shade, or even for color correcting, or even as a foundation. It matches me like to the T, I think. It matches me pretty closely, so I also enjoy this. Go take a nap, I'm coming. Go take a nap, I'm coming. Close the door.
No, I need it.
Okay, thank you. So that is the color 1050, Deep Golden 60, and Deep Dark 54. So there you go with that. I really enjoy these as well. Next product I want to talk about, I've been wanting to get my hand on these for so long, the Morphe M439 brush. I've been enjoying a lot of brushes from them, but this particular brush is, I have so many foundation brushes and they're all good. This right here is just flawless. Like, you need this. It's a really good foundation brush, complexion brush. I think it's amazing. I used it today to apply my LA Girl matte foundation, and I'm amazed. It's so wonderful. And I got mine at Ulta, obviously, because I don't want to order from Morphe in case I don't like it, because you know Morphe. You know Morphe. If I don't like it, I can return it. So I always like to order where I can return if I don't like it. And this M439 brush is amazing. Obviously, I use coupons at Ulta to get these. So there you go. Must have. It's just flawless. Next product I really enjoyed is the Essence Lashes of the Day Super Volume mascara, and I've actually emptied this out. They always have sales over there, and on top of that you can add coupons. This is pretty much empty. It's a really good mascara if you're looking for something on a budget. This is amazing. I really enjoyed using this, so if you wanted to get it, I think it's definitely worthy. Yeah. Next product is by CoverGirl, and it's the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara in the color Very Black. This mascara is I think it's my favorite drugstore mascara right now. It gives you intense volume and maximum length. The more you apply, the better it gets, and it doesn't cake up, it doesn't move. It's just phenomenal. I have a display of how it looks like on my blog and my social media. You can see how it looks. I can even insert it in this video if I remember. This mascara is amazing, but do be careful because it is very heavy, so it can get messy. So slightly take off any excess and then build it up slowly and use the same wand to do the bottom, because if you dip back, so don't double dip to do the bottom because that will get just too thick and too messy. Take out the mascara brush once, use it for your top lash, and then use the rest for the bottom, and then do the other one. I find that that's the best way, and try to minimize how much product you use. Other than that, people would think you have fake lashes on. I didn't use it today because I forgot, but it's amazing. That's my only complaint, that too much product comes out, but it doesn't cake up. It's just my favorite new mascara from the drugstore. I do like other ones, but this is my new favorite. That's just the wand. It's amazing. A lot of the YouTubers I enjoy really also rave about this, and it's kind of like the Too Faced Better Than Sex a little bit. The shape, like an hourglass. It's also like the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which I'm going to talk about next. So yeah, so if you were willing to try this, I say go for it. It's an amazing product. Yeah. So next product we're gonna get into is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is in the color 200 Blackest Black. I actually got mine free from Ulta when they had like the launch for this. They were giving them out free, and I didn't use it. I hate this thing. It's too messy. A lot of people love it because it does give volume and length like they say, and it's supposed to be also a dupe for the Too Faced one. Of course, look at the color, but for me, I couldn't use it. It was just too wet and too messy for me. Every time I would use it, it would mess up my makeup. Again, everybody has their preference, but for me, it was a no-go. So I'm just gonna give this away. I'm not saying that it's bad. A lot of product comes out as it does in the CoverGirl, but this one I can't control. So for me, it's just too messy. So it's a no-go for me. But if you do like it, do let me know how you make it work for you. But for me, I wouldn't repurchase this again, or I wouldn't recommend it for beginners or for everyday makeup. It's just, it requires too much work and I don't have time for that. Yeah. Next product I've been enjoying, you guys know Makeup Academy. It's a brand from England, I think, and if I'm not mistaken, and they came into the US a couple of years ago, and I always see it and I wanted to try different things from them. I've talked to you guys about the lip scrub in a video about lip balms and lip care, and I've tried their lip mask. It's called the MUA Intense Rescue Lip Mask. It's pink in color, so it has a tint. It's very different from the other lip mask that I've talked about before, but I really like it because like it's not as thick and it's actually comfortable, so it's very moisturizing, and I like it because you can actually use it when you go out, because it would just look like you have a lip gloss on, but as you can see, it's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's the perfect consistency, and it really does help with moisturizing your lips as you sleep. But I can use this anytime, even on the go. I really enjoy this product, and I actually bought this when they had, I think, buy one get one free, so I got one for a friend. So they do have great promotions at CVS on this as well, on top of coupons and sales and promotions and rewards. So I say do try this. It really does work wonders, and it looks like your lips were better because of that pink color, and it's very comfortable, because the other one I showed before is not comfortable, but this one is, and you can use it on the go. Yeah, and it tastes good and it smells good. Yeah, it smells like candy. So yes, I would recommend this product as well. Next thing we have is this Paw Paw Shop Miss A beauty sponges that was so popular, and I got different kinds. I got the flat top, I got the pointy black, and I got the pointy pink. Guys, this was a big miss. I know a lot of people raved about it and said, oh, these are so good, they're so this, they're so that, and you know me, the hype, you know, oh my god, and they're so affordable, they're like $1 or $3 depending on what you get. So save your money and get the pink one that I always talk about, the new one from E.L.F, the Total Face Sponge, or you can get the one from Sonia Kashuk. They make really good quality sponges. They won't break on you. I did like the Eco Tools as well, but that breaks on you. And I also did like the Euro Techniques, but that also breaks on you. And I'm currently testing the ones from Dollar General. I'll let you know how that goes. But for now, Sonia Kashuk and E.L.F are the only ones that I actually enjoyed. This Paw Paw one from Sharpie's A, even though they're $1 and affordable, I say no bueno, they're not good. I do not like them at all. I hate them. They feel like rubber, all of them. They get so hard, not worthy. You will hate it. Yeah. Sorry, but that's the truth. Last but not least, let's talk about the famous Urban Decay Born to Run palette that came out about a year ago, 11 months or so. Of course, you guys know I'm always late to the game, but when you're on a budget and you can't afford it, you can't force it. But I did finally get it, obviously, and I got it on sale. Obviously, I always check for sales whenever I can. Ulta had it on sale for $29, so I ordered it. It was an online only sale, so you got to keep an eye out for online sales as well. The packaging is gorgeous. Black is always great because of the aesthetics. It's very presentable and easy to clean. This is a very good material right here, very good quality. It's very heavy. I like the different countries that they've gone to there. That's wonderful. That is the back, also pretty. You get a very nice mirror right there. Love it to do makeup. And you get some nice safe shades, and I love that it folds back like such, so you can fold it and work with it, and you can flip it, or you can just have it as such. So for the price, I think for $29 I would recommend it. However, the mattes in here are the most beautiful mattes you will ever find. Out of all the mattes I've tried so far in my venture with makeup and skincare, these are the best mattes ever. So easy, so flawless, so creamy. For beginners, professionals, on the go, everyday, perfect. It blends itself. That's pretty much what it is. It's just perfect. Like, if I can get an all matte shade like this from Urban Decay, I would love it. All mattes, different colors, I would love an all matte. However, the metallics here, or the shimmers here, compared to my Colored Rain palette and my Juvia's Place, I was very disappointed. I feel like they're so hard to work with, and the intensity is not there, and they perform better dry than wet. I would not wet my brush with this because I feel like it gets so messy and nothing stays on. Today I actually used the palette. It was very easy. I used the color Riff right here on my lid, all over my lid. It blends well. Then I went in with Good As Gone to the crease, and then I went in with Big Sky on the lid, and then I smoked it out on the outer corner with this black called Jet. Easiest makeup look I've ever done. So fast because of the quality. However, the metallics shimmers here, I don't like them at all. I almost returned it because of the expectations I had. Colored Rain and Juvia's Place, for the price and the sales that they always have, I feel like it's better. But of course, you know, I keep giving it a try, and the more I use it, the better I get. This is more of like a natural everyday palette, okay? You're not gonna get that intensity for metallics and duochromes and shimmers that you would get from like Colored Rain and Juvia's Place. It's not like that. I'm not used to that. I'm used to that pop, like you put it on and you can just see that, you know, reflex right there. But with this, I gotta get used to it. So yeah, I would recommend it for $29, but more than that I wouldn't. I don't think the shimmers and metallics are worthy, but I do think the mattes are amazing. So if you're really into this color story, wait for it on sale, get it, you will like it. But just know that the shimmers and the metallics are not what you would expect from like Juvia's Place and Colored Rain. They're very soft, and they require, and they're not gonna blow up, you know. You can see how it is here. It's popping right now because it's green, but if it was like these golds right here, like it wouldn't be much, because it would just be like a soft look, like neutral look, like safe look. So yeah, this is kind of what that palette is. So this will be a good traveling palette for me so that I can just do quick looks and soft looks depending on where I'm going. Not every place wants colors, like crazy colors on your eyes, so this will be good. Like, you have color but it's not too flashy. So yeah, I would recommend this at the sale price. Okay, all right guys, so that is it for my video. I know this was a little bit long, but I wanted to give you my intense review on these products. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have anything you want to recommend for me to try, I'll be glad to hear from you. Otherwise, if you've enjoyed these products, let me know, and I will see you guys on my next video. Mwah. Ciao guys, God bless. Don't forget to always praise God.
I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.